Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove a Ford Fiesta bumper. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, a Torx T25 bit, and a trim removal tool. Having these ready will make the process much smoother and help prevent any accidental damage to your vehicle's paint or plastic clips. Also, make sure you're working in a well-lit and safe area. This preparation is key for an easy removal. Now, let's get started on the front bumper. Begin by removing the two Torx T25 screws located in each wheel arch liner. Next, you'll find 6 plastic clips along the top edge of the bumper. Carefully detach these using your trim removal tool. If your Fiesta has fog lights, gently disconnect their wiring harnesses. Take your time with each step to ensure a smooth and damage-free process. Moving along, we need to address the fasteners on the sides and underside. Look for 2 screws positioned directly under each headlight and remove them. Then, you'll find 4 clips along the bottom edge of the bumper. Carefully detach these as well. Once all these are loose, gently pull the bumper away from the vehicle's side mounts. It should start to feel much looser now, so be patient. With all the screws and clips removed, the bumper is now ready to come off. Carefully slide the entire bumper assembly straight forward and away from the vehicle. Once it's free, immediately place it on a soft surface, like a blanket or cardboard, to prevent any scratches or damage. And hey, while you're here, make sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.